Hello YouTubers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to accept Facebook group invitation for moderator and admin on your PC. So let's get started. Login in your Facebook account and click on this drop down arrow. Select new groups and hit on groups. Also, you can visit this link directly to open all those groups from you got invitation and select any one group that you want to accept invitation. Here you can see PoinTECH group invited you to become the moderator of the group PoinTECH. So click accept to accept this request and click on decline to cancel this request. I am going to accept this request. So now if you go to member area and here you can see this person is now member of this group. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.